Cookies, very sweet, that your mom just made, and she put berries in it. That's exactly how it smells. Hello beautiful ladies and some gentlemen. Today I'm here to share with you the tag video, free notes and free fragrances. That will be free fragrances for my free favorite notes that I was tagged in by a lovely lady that's called Lalada Beauty. Her channel is called Lalada Beauty, and I will tag her link down below in my video. She's a very nice lady. I really like watching her videos, and she's got loads of perfumes. She's been a busy lady. So hi Lalada. And I will tag as well some people in this video. So another lady I would like to tag in, I recently started watching, will be Variations of Nani. That's her channel name. I think her real name is Anne, but I'm not sure. And then another person I would like to tag in this video will be Amy's World of Fragrance. She's got loads of perfumes, and she also describes them very nicely, and she's got loads of perfumes. And third person will be Clemence FF Fragrance, and I love her videos. She is so clever, she can edit them so well, and it's so fun to watch, very entertaining. So also I would like to tag her. She's French, I think. And yes, I love her videos. And so hi everyone, hi Clemence and Anne and Amy. For anyone who doesn't know my name is Dasa, and my channel is called Dasa Scent. So let's get with the fragrances now. It was very hard to pick free notes because I like so many notes, in so many fragrances. I like cinnamon. Just yeah, loads of notes. I like loads of notes. I picked three, and first note I'm gonna talk about will be berries. And first perfume that's got berries in it will be La Nuit Trésor à la Folie. It's this one, and I absolutely love this perfume. This is like if you imagine cookies. Cookies, very sweet, that your mom just made, and she put berries in it. That's exactly how it smells. It's so delicious, so nice, like cookies with berries, with blueberries, whatever you want in it. And this scent is absolutely delicious. It's La Nuit Trésor à la Folie. I will never get bored of it. It's such a nice scent. It's very sexy, alluring. Anyone around you will melt, including you. It just, yeah, you will smell it on you all day, and it just, yeah, so nice, beautiful scent. It's got obviously berries in it on the top. So there is a red currant, bergamot, Damascus rose, peony, violet, tonka bean. It lasts a very long time. I sprayed it on and it just lasts me all day. I just keep smelling it all day on me. It was blind buy, and I never regretted this since I bought it. So yes, that's La Nuit Trésor à la Folie, and it's a beautiful scent. Next one will be my another favorite. That's Miss Dior, Absolutely Blooming. And this one is also a nice one, but it's a bit fresher than the first one, and it's got loads of raspberries in it. It smells like nice garden, like nice fruit garden or something, pink fruit garden. It's delicious scent as well. It's I wouldn't say, well, the name it says Absolutely Blooming, but I would call it more like absolutely fruity. It's just a very fruity scent, very nice. Beautiful and delicious, also alluring. It's quite girly, but I think any woman can pull it off. It's very classy as well, very happy, uplifting scent, very fresh. But yeah, the fruit note is very dominant there. That's raspberry note. And dry down on it, it's also like beautiful. It's just gorgeous, like, but it smells very warm after, you know, like dry down. So yeah, that's also another beautiful scent. Miss Dior Absolutely Blooming. Another one for summer will be Anna Sui Romantica Exotica. That's also like gorgeous. There is black currant in it, which is not very dominant, but considering I don't have many Paris fragrances yet, most of them are on my wish list. I've picked this one. It's got black currant in it, and it's very citrusy. There is lemon, bergamot with aquatic. It's great for summer. This one doesn't last too long, probably about 2, maximum 4 hours, but I don't mind respraying it. Most of the summer fragrances, they don't last too long, so yeah, very nice scent, gorgeous bottle, gorgeous top, beautiful. So now that was my berry scent. So in this one is blackcurrant, absolutely blooming. There is loads of raspberries in there, very dominant note, raspberries. And in this one, La Nuit Trésor à la Folie, there is loads of red currants and it's very sweet. So that's my 3 fragrances for berries. Another note that I like will be patchouli, and loads of fragrances consist of patchouli, especially in the base note. And the ones that I chose will be, first one will be C, from Giorgio Armani. I wear it all the time. It's gorgeous, like gorgeous scent. Well, first time when you spray it, it's almost like you feel like it's almost like alcoholic. You feel like very expensive bubbles in a champagne, or like you feel like walking in the nice warm evening in a vineyard in the summer or something like that. It's very sexy scent, very alluring, very nice for evenings in the summer. And I actually I use it a lot. This is my 2nd bottle now, and I'm so glad I found this one. It's very versatile and as well, very sexy, very alluring, very enchanting. That's a C from Giorgio Armani. The next one will be unusual one. I don't really see many people talking about it because it's discontinued. I think that's the main reason. And that's Gucci by Gucci. And this one is, oh my god, this was, I think, the first scent I ever came across, like so beautiful and sophisticated. My head turned the first time when I smelled it. A very beautiful woman was wearing it, like businesswoman, and my head just turned and I had to ask her what was she wearing, and she was wearing Gucci by Gucci. And since then, immediately I went to the shop and I bought it, and I never regretted it. And it was like wow at the first smell, yeah, wow at the first sniff, basically. So it's got tiara flower in it, I think pear and patchouli, obviously, and it's very simple fragrance, but it's so sophisticated. It's absolutely gorgeous, one of my favorites. And I was very heartbroken when I was told that they discontinued it, but I have another bottle like in my storage, so if I finish this one I can still use the other one, so I'm still okay. But yeah, I wish they brought it back and they sold it again, they were selling it again. So that's Gucci by Gucci. And it's beautiful scent. Another one will be for patchouli lovers, and I can't decide if I love it or hate it. If you can guess what it is, there you are. So this is Angel by Thierry Mugler. I used to love this scent a lot, and then I couldn't decide if I love it or hate it. I wanted this scent for about 4 years, and now when I have it, I got it as a present. I'm not sure if I still like it, so I don't know how I feel about it. But for anyone who is patchouli lover, This is it. There is so much patchouli in it. Another level. So otherwise it's really nice scent. There's loads of notes in it, probably about 27 notes, like vanilla as well, coconut, anything you can think of, I think, basically. So yeah, anyone who likes patchouli, this is it for you, I think. Angel by Thierry Mugler. I think this is love or hate perfume, so you either love it or hate it, and I'm actually somewhere in between with this one, so I'm not sure about this one. It's still nice scent. My next note will be, what else than vanilla? Vanilla, I absolutely love vanilla. It's now an aphrodisiac as well, and yeah, I just love vanilla. So the first one, what else would it be then? Poison Girl. Poison Girl by Dior. This is absolutely gorgeous scent. This is my signature scent. I absolutely love the dry down on it. It's so soothing, calming, beautiful scent, very sexy. You can use it all year round, I think. And yeah, it's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous scent. I have no words. I'm speechless. This is so alluring, so intoxicating, so sexy. Absolutely gorgeous scent. Poison Girl by Christian Dior. Amazing. Another one. What else? Then Christian Dior, Dior Addict. Yeah, it's very addicting scent. It's exactly as it says in the name. It's gorgeous. It's very suitable for winter or evenings. Dark evenings. Bottle is dark as well, and it's been there for ages. I had very first one scent before reformulation, and it was also like amazing. It was my very best scent many years ago, when it just came out first time. This is like third reformulation now. I think this is 2014 edition, but it's still good. It's still great. And yes, so this is Dior Addict, and I really recommend this one. This is very popular scent. Everybody loves this one, and it's yeah, it's men's magnet as well, both. And another male's magnet as well will be the Tom Ford Noir Perfume. That's got loads of vanilla in it as well. It's beautiful as well. It's very enchanting, it's a bit like, to me, I never heard anyone talking about this, but to me it's like very nutty. It's got like very nutty aroma to me, but it's very aromatic and obviously oriental scent, but the dry down on it is amazing as well. Actually, I'm just gonna spray it now. Yeah, I can still smell something like nutty in it, and it's very beautiful scent. It's Femme Fatale. This is very, yeah, very sexy fragrance, very alluring, very enchanting, very, yeah, you're gonna attract men with this. So men are gonna be like magnet on this fragrance. It's very nice, like for dates and evenings, and I think this is very much like for businesswoman fragrance as well. Yeah, I love it. Especially the dry down on it. It's beautiful and it lasts for a very long time. So yeah, that's a Tom Ford Noir Perfume. Beautiful scent. I think this concludes my 3 fragrances for my 3 favorite notes. Let me know, guys, what is your favorite note. You don't have to say 3 notes, say just 1 note. Let me know in the comment down below. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you like the video by liking my video. And thank you very much for watching. I read all your comments. I try to reply to all comments, and I hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye.